Yeah, Vajrang, I have 5.5 years of experience in a healthcare domain and I have 1 year career gap also. So yesterday I spoke to you and attended the advanced certification course also, test
Yep,
also.
yep.
So you say suggested me to join the beginners course only.
Exactly, because you scored very less, I would suggest you to
Yeah.
join in the beginners program. And that 1 year of career gap that you have, I think you should not take that as a career gap. Leave it and tell that you have 5 years of experience. Don't concentrate too much on saying that okay, I have 1 year career gap. It doesn't matter for anyone. Okay.
When I submit the documents, they will ask, right? Gap.
The problem with you right now is you have a fear of rejection in the beginning, but normally what will happen in the interviews, they will first go ahead and pick your resume, and if your resume is good, they will call you for interview, and if you are able to successfully crack the interview, then they will take you to the technical round or third round. After that, there will be document certification submission as well as these details that will be taken. So you are fearing for the fourth level when you don't, when you have not crossed the first level. Okay.